In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to increase cell size in Excel. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to the column on Excel, and once you hover on the edge of the column, you should be able to drag the column right or left, and this can adjust the size of each column, and you can do that for all of the columns as well. For the row, it's a little different. So what you want to do is to go over to the number of the row and click on a particular cell, and once you do that, you can then right click on the cell and click row height. And then here you can see it's 16. We can just change it to 30, for example. And as you can see, the row has been increased. So you can also do this for rows as well. So what you want to do is to click on the row that you want to increase, for example, number 2, and right click on it and scroll down to where it says row height. And then you can type in a number, for example, let's say 30. And as you can see, automatically the row height has been increased. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.